everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I have a haul for you guys. I finally got all the pieces to this Carta Farmhouse Market collection, and I thought I'd go ahead and share it with you guys. So I received the papers. I actually bought everything from Amazon, and I couldn't help it because the chipboard pieces, stickers, I really just got a really great deal that it was too hard to not take. So I ended up getting it, but I did end up getting it from different vendors on Amazon. So this was the last one that came, which is the collection kit. So in this collection kit, you get 12 double-sided 12 by 12 textured papers, and you also get the 12 by 12 sticker element sheet. So let me go ahead and share with you the papers first. And I'm going to start off with all the cut aparts. So isn't this gorgeous, you guys? I just love it. So this collection is very much like the flower market, but I have to say I think the flower market just has a brighter colors. This one's a little bit more pastel. So I really love this one. So isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love that basket with the flowers on it. And then the back looks like that. So like I said, this one is just more pastel colored. And this is textured, and it's a really pretty thick paper. And that one was called the 3x4 journaling cards. And then we have some more journaling cards, and these are it's a combination of 4x6 and 3x4, and it just has really beautiful sentiments on there. It also has some tags on the bottom, and then look how gorgeous that is, you guys. I love it. Then you have this page that you can just cut apart. You just have a bunch of these tags. Look how pretty. So isn't that great to just cut all this and then use them like tags, ephemeras. That's the back, and this one is called tags. Then you have these beautiful florals, which, oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. So I did get the ephemera pack on this, for this collection, but I really wish they had more florals, like floral die cuts, which I feel like this collection, as well as the other collection, kind of lacked. So I wish Carta would just, give floral die cuts. Just make another pack, just florals, because I do like to use them on my projects. This one is called Antique Floral. The other one, the previous one, was called Lovely Florals. And look how pretty that is. I don't know what I do with this page right now. I feel like just fussy cutting all of them. I don't know. They're so cute though. It's like a little those library drawers, and then you have these right here, which are beautiful wreaths. Just a really pretty design. I love the way they designed this paper. And then you have this one right here, which is gorgeous. So I'm gonna have a hard time trying to choose which one to use, because this looks like a nice 12 by 12 layout, right? Something that I can put in my downstairs kitchen. Then here, some more florals. And then you have some cut aparts here, strips, border strips that you can cut, especially that one here. Today's a good day for a good day. And then you have this one right here. Look at this really long sign. Really pretty. Then you have that right there, and this one's called Timeless Floral. And again, the back is the floral. And then you have this one. Now this is so beautiful, and I so want to just cut those. Just fussy cut them, right? Really, really pretty. I love that wood grain background. And then the back looks like that. So unfortunately, you know, since this is the kit, it only comes with one, just one paper, double-sided paper per design. So it doesn't give you two. Really pretty. But yeah, I might have to just pick up the 12 by 12 paper pad. And then you have this one here. They're like little cubbies, right? That looks so cool. Cute cubbies. Oh, that's exactly what it's called, cubbies. And then in the back you have some scripts. And then this is another one. I love this page so much. Look how beautiful that is. Now, wouldn't this look so pretty? I can see myself making this into a little mini album, like as the cover. I love this. I think it's called shiplap. I love that so much as the wood grain. Oh, so gorgeous. And then of course in the back, this is what they give you. It's beautiful too. Oh no, I might have to just pick up some more of these papers. I'm gonna have to check and see. Maybe scrapbook.com has some individual papers, or I can just maybe pick up another set of this. And then you have this right here. So lots and lots of florals. Again, I'm gonna have to fussy cut some of them because I really wish they gave us some floral ephemeras. But and then this is the sticker pack. Yeah, I don't think they did, but we'll see. I'm gonna have to look. I haven't exactly. Oh, actually, I did look at the ephemera pieces, and I'm not even sure if they even gave us any florals. They're not die cuts anyway, but the sticker book I think does have some floral stickers. So like here's one right here. And I love that little windmill looking piece there. Love that chair. And look at the canisters, chandelier. This paper is just so beautiful. They did a really, really great job. Okay, so that's that. Let me show you the sticker book. And I might have to fast forward here. There's two different chipboard. There's accents and phrases. I don't know why this one's called phrases because there's also phrases on this one, but I guess there's more phrases on the other one. Sorry for the glare, but I'm just going to show you this really quick. Some of the elements are the same as the stickers, like these, but these are chipboard with adhesive. And then here's that. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love that barn. And you just get one side. So there's that. And then we have the puffy stickers. So here's the puffies. Really pretty. And then these are the frames and tags. And then you get the frames, or this is the ephemera, I'm sorry, those were the frames. is the collection. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.